Hi there, Sanam with Sun Snacks here. Today we're gonna go over how to make birthday cake gourmet popcorn. Today we're gonna pop our corn in Gold Medal's Macho Pop. Pause or take a screenshot, here's the popcorn recipe. We first start off by using 16 ounces of gourmet mushroom popcorn. Mushroom popcorn pops round, which makes for a wonderful coating, less breakage, and looks beautiful in the bag. Since we're making birthday cake today, we're gonna use white coconut oil, 6 ounces, and 2½ teaspoons of white popcorn salt. Let's get to poppin'. Pour all of your ingredients in a preheated kettle. Since we're using a Mark 10-gallon caramelizer, today we're gonna make 3 batches of popcorn. So we're gonna repeat this step 3 times. Now we're gonna head over to our Mark 10 caramelizer. Take a screenshot or pause, here's the birthday cake recipe. We're gonna start off by using 2 packages of Gold Medal's 2096 Basic Corn Treat Mix. Eight cups of white sugar. 8 ounces of white coconut oil. And 28 ounces of water. Be sure to use this opportunity when pouring the water to wash down any sugar or product granules you may have gotten on your paddles, as this reduces the risk of crystallization. Since this is your first batch in the caramelizer, the cooking process can take 18 to 22 minutes. Use this opportunity to fill your popcorn bucket, and then if you're planning on making a second batch, get back to popping corn. Be sure to keep the lid on your mixer so that the steam will wash down any particles of sugar. When the steam starts to come out rapidly, remove the lid and add a ½ cup of Gold Medal's number 2439 birthday cake corn treat flavor mix. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, which is completely optional. As the buzzer beeps, turn the heat motor switch off and turn on the motor only switch. Now we're gonna dump our pre-pop popcorn into the caramelizer. And now we're going to tilt the caramelizer in the halfway position. Next, we're going to grab Gold Medal's item number 2250, Free and Easy Candy Corn Separator. This is perfect for helping keep your caramel and other candied kernels separate once they cook. The Free and Easy Candy Corn Separator is a lightweight spray that is a caramel corn necessity. And now for our final ingredient, the sprinkles. Have fun with it. I used 10 ounces of rainbow dot sprinkles. And now we're ready to put our Mark 10 in the bottom position and dump our candied corn out. We are using Gold Medal's height adjustable caramel cool table today. And our final step, separating the corn before it completely cools off. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this video, machines, products, or services, check us out at sunsnackspopcorn.com or you can call us at 480-833-2573.